June is Men's Health Awareness Month. Look, I'm a guy and I am guilty of this as well. Too often I would put off going to the doctor or addressing symptoms or things I knew just weren't right. I would ignore them and just think that I can push on through. Not only have I learned from my own personal experience how detrimental that can be to my health and my relationships, but I've also learned as a doctor that the research is clear. Men are more likely to put off addressing their health concerns than women. They're more likely to not go for preventative health care, and they're more likely to just suffer through what they're struggling with. I'm Dr. John Neustadt, president and founder of NBI, and if you're a man listening or you're a woman who has a man in your life whom you love, make sure that they know this one tip, because it cuts across all facets of a man's health. Not getting enough sleep. That may sound simple and too easy, but it's true. The research is clear. Sleep deprivation, which is an epidemic, up to 70 million Americans, it is now understood, have some form of sleep problem at some point in their life. And for many men, it's a badge of honor to push on through and have that type A personality and not sleep a full night's sleep, 7, 8 hours of sleep, to get that healthy, restorative sleep that we need. The research is clear. Not getting enough sleep for men can decrease testosterone, is related to increased prostate gland size, called BPH, is involved with men waking up in the middle of the night to pee. It decreases your sex drive, decreases libido, and decreases testosterone. And decreased testosterone is a risk factor for heart disease and Alzheimer's disease and lots of chronic degenerative conditions. So dealing with just that one aspect of your health, the foundation of health, one of the pillars of health, is making sure you get enough sleep. If you're only going to focus on one thing, especially now, these are very challenging times with the pandemic, with the protests and riots that are going on politically and socially in this country. There's a lot of stress. Making sure you're getting enough sleep is crucial for better handling the stress in your life, but also for improving your health and making sure that you have the sex life and the sex drive that you want, because a good, healthy sex life is part of overall health. Start with sleep if you're going to start anywhere, and focus on that. There are lots of things you can do. I'm going to post a link to a blog below that I just wrote that will go through the research on the dangerous health implications of not getting enough sleep for men, but also what you can do for it. Take sleep relief, NBI sleep relief. Go to bed at a reasonable time every night, about the same time every night. And make sure that you are doing the list of things to get enough sleep and restore your health and feel as great as you can. Have a great week. I'll see you here next week.